Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to autofill in Excel. Friends, in Excel we can very easily do various work with the help of autofill number, date, etc. in Excel. So in your Excel sheet, if you want to create serial number, then you simply need to enter the starting number and you can drag it down. As you can see, it has copied the same number but not provided us the numbering in continuous. So to get the continue numbering, you need to simply click on this little arrow down and here you need to select fill series. Now as you can see, it has shown continue numbering. You can do the same thing with a different method also. In that method, you need to enter first two starting numbers. Like I want to start the numbering from 1. So I need to enter 1 and 2 and need to select both the cells and drag it down. Now as you can see, with this method also we get the required results. Now suppose if you want to add numbers with a gap of 5 numbers, for that you need to enter 1 and after that you need to enter the number with the gap you required. Like I need a gap of 5 numbers, so I will type 6. Now there is a gap of 5 numbers in 1 and 6. I will select both the cells and drag it down. Now as you can see, it has shown the numbering with a gap of 5 numbers in each row. Now like this, if you want to add days in your Excel sheet, then you simply need to enter the day name. Like I enter Monday. Now drag it down. Now it has shown all the days. Now if you want to see only weekdays in this list, then you simply need to click on this down arrow and here you need to select fill weekdays. Now as you can see, it is showing only the weekdays. So like this, if you want to add some code number etc., then you simply need to add the text. Like I enter code number 101. Now I simply need to drag it down. Now as you can see, it has created code numbers for me. Like this, if you want to add months in your Excel sheet, then you simply need to type a name of the month. Like I have entered March. Now drag it down. Now it has created the complete list of all the months. Now friends, if you want to add date in your Excel sheet, then you simply need to add a date format in your Excel sheet. For that you need to right click on the cell and here you need to select format cells. Now here select date and the date format and click on OK. Now I will enter today's date. Now to add dates, you simply need to drag it down. Now as you can see, it has created a continue list of the dates. Now if you want to fill dates of weekday in this list, then you simply need to click on this little arrow and here you need to select fill weekdays. Now it will show the dates of weekdays only. Now like this, if you want to see continuous months in this list, for that you need to select fill months. Now it will fill continuous months for the same date. Like this, if you want to fill continuous years in this list, for that you need to select fill years. Now it will keep the same date and same month. Now it will fill same date and month for the continuous years. So friends, like this you can play around and use all these methods while entering data in Excel. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.